our parents and grandparents, sharing stories of walking 5 miles to school and the Jim Crow South to segregated schools. Most of them not continuing their education past the 6th grade. I thank God that my children will never have to relive those horror stories, but sometimes children of today don't realize the opportunities they are blessed with don't come without force. Lives are lost for most of our children to be able to share a seat with children of other races in public school. Forget about boarding school. Thoughts of integrated boarding school didn't exist. When I was a child, boarding school and reform school were the same to me. I had no idea of what we were missing. We all thought that boarding schools were a place that rich people sent their bad kids when they learned to vacation in Paris and Switzerland. Thanks to Mark and Mary Michonne and inspiring their minds, there's a continually growing number of adults and children that know better. At a chance meeting with Jackie Mills, she's sneaking around somewhere in the back, probably cleaning up, but in fact, Jackie interviewed me for a job, which ultimately I did not get, but she mentored me for many years. And I've known her for the past 5 years in that capacity as a mentor and a friend. And through our relationship, Jackie knew the type of parent that I was about creating opportunities. And she in turn sent me to meet Mark at a Boys Club fair in the city a few years ago. Now, when I first met Mark, yes, I did go there in the interest of my children. But once I got an opportunity to meet both Marion and Mark and see their passion, I had to join in. And since then, I've been here. My husband is involved. He talks to Mark probably more than I do. But we know its importance. Obligation. Now I have an obligation. Knowledge is useless if it isn't shared amongst the masses. I have an obligation to create the same opportunity for every family I know, and everyone here has that same obligation. I tell my sons, now that you have the opportunity to attend boarding school, you have the obligation to work towards straight A's and being a campus leader, so that you will make the school seek out the next Justin Del Valle and the next Giovanni Ford Jr. Open the door for 100 kids like you. That's your obligation. Right. There was